Hello traders, in this Q1 performance report video, we're going to be looking at how much we are up so far this year. Not only that, we're going to be analyzing the drawdown as well, just like how the professionals do it. We'll also be going through various risk management systems to see how much return or loss you would have made. And we'll go through further into our peak to valley drawdown analysis. Hi traders, thank you for joining us in our Q1 performance report video and joining the MTM team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Nalpan here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone. So today we are looking at our performance so far for the first 3 months, for the first 1/4 of the year. Yes, I know, so fast time has flown by, isn't it? 3 months have just already zoomed by like this. But as we always say, let's be aware, let's focus on the present moment and make use of time wisely. The returns for the Q1, the first quarter, the 3 months, as you can see, is cumulatively 20.13%. But however, do remember that this is just not numbers that's been typed onto a spreadsheet. If you look at each of the tabs over here, that is basically one strategy that correlates to this column over here. And if you then click on the tabs, you can see the entire trade log, which has been caught in all real time. And as you can see, all the profits and losses are all transparent over here as well. Okay, all the way beginning from January 2022. And all the way till today, even until April, you can see every trade has been taken out and taken in real time and given to our live trading members as an educational purposes. So that's how we have achieved this Q1 performance over here. For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below. This is each of the strategies that we have traded. There's the lift of 20% OE, which means it's capturing, as most of you will know, we've gone through a Trader Space Scan package, that this is open equity. That means basically how much move is left. We are looking to capture 20% of the runners which get to that distance. The TSL primary over here is another strategy, and then finally we are looking at the cash in 4.0 1-day exit. Now this is based on 80% open equity. That means 80% of the runners reaching that particular distance. Of course, for some of you who are not sure of this terminologies of open equity and all that, highly recommend you guys to watch the Trader Starter Pack video series. Now let's go through the results over here. So far in this strategy, as you can see, the first month there was a little drawdown. February was up, and then March we had a little drawdown again, eating little into the profits. So far in this strategy on liftoff, we're up 1.30% up. Okay, now in terms of the TSL primary over here, now we can see that we are up in January 2.93, February minus 0.19, and then finally in March 4.03%. So far cumulatively up, as you can see, 6.77%. And then finally on the 1-day exit, we can see that we are up 3.68, 2.81, 6.07, very steadily up On this strategy, no drawdown so far. Over here we have 12.56%, as you can see. Overall, for this first 3 months, we are up 20.63%, okay, for the first quarter of this year. And here is the equity curve for the 3 months up. It's quite steadily up. But however, remember, as professionals, whenever we see an equity curve that is steadily up, we always are a bit wary of the drawdowns. Okay, so we analyze a bit more further into the drawdown so far for the 3 months so far, and we look to see if the strategy is performing as we had expected it to be. Okay, so we just can't get happy just about, okay, we are up 20.63%, which is really good so far. Because of all the volatility that's happening in the markets, our systems are able to capture it in the right direction and accumulate these profits, which is really good. However, as a professional, we always keep focusing on our risk and our drawdowns and what to expect, and if the system is performing as we are expecting it to, and what to expect for the future. Right, so let's now move on to the next part before we analyze the drawdown in further detail. I'll just go through a little bit in terms of the different risk managements that we can do to capitalize this percentage return in terms of how much money you would have actually made in terms of pound return. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.